Okay, fourth graders, our I can statements. This week, we actually have two that we're working on. Is I can break apart numbers to help me add. I can also add mentally. We're trying to do these problems in our head. So we need to know place value. We need to know the ones, the tens, the hundreds, the thousands, the 10,000s. That will help us. Let's take a look at an example here. 2,864 plus 1,136. You can add this in your head. Think. Remember, you're going to start on the left here. Going to start with the thousands, the 2 and the 1. So if you think you know how to do it, pause and try it on your own, then check your work. Welcome back. Did you try your best? Let's see. Did you start on the left? 2,000 plus 1,000. Those numbers are called the add-ins. Then you add them up and you get the sum of 3,000. If you didn't get it, pause and try the rest. Move to the hundreds. Did you get 800 plus 100? Then you move to the tens, 60 plus 30. And lastly, you do 4 plus 6. And then you add up all these sums. Okay, you could do this in your head. 3,000, 3,900, 3,090, plus 10 more brings us to the next 1,000, 4,000. Our other goal for the week oops, I'm sorry, let's try one more. Sneak peek there. Okay, pause, try this on your own. Welcome back. Did you start in the thousands? 3,000 plus 1,000. Did you add 400 plus 400? You're moving from left to right. Did you go to the tens next? 50 plus 10. And then lastly, adding the digits that are in the ones column. Then you add them all up. 4,000 plus 800 plus 60 plus 2. You come up with 4,862. Our other I can statement is that I can count on to subtract. This is very useful with money. For example, if I had 80 minus 60, the answer is going to be 20, but let's look at how we get that. We want to use counting on. We want to start with the number. It's in the second spot there, the 60. And then we want to count up or count on till we get to 80. So we go 60 to 70, 70 to 80. 60 to 70 is 10, 70 to 80 is 10. And then we just count up the tens in our head. Count by tens. 10, 20, and that's actually the answer, 20. So again, 60, 70, 80. So the difference between these two numbers is 20. Let's try another one. Try this one on your own. Welcome back. Did you start with the 500 and count on to get 340? Make sure to show your work. Again, we started with the 500, and here we can count by hundreds. 500 to 600, 600 to 700, 700 to 800, and then we had to go 800 to 840 because we didn't want to go past 840. And you showed your work below. 100, 200, 300 plus 40 is 340. Make sure to use these examples and practice this exactly the way you see it until you have the hang of it. Our goal is to do these numbers in our head. If you're having difficulty, don't forget to practice counting by tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Practice counting by hundreds, 100, 200, 300, by thousands. Some of you are getting confused when you go to, for example, 800, 900, 1,000, or 8,000, 9,000, 10,000. So keep practicing your counting on and always try your best.